Hey everyone, it's Jene and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Today I'm going to be showing you what's new in my Etsy store and I'm really excited to show you all this. So what you're seeing is my new lineup of cover minders. So I have these beautiful dragonflies that I'll bring up here. They are gorgeous, just beautiful. So they come in different colors. I've got blue, light blue, red, pink, and green. They also come in multiples. So here are some of the multiple colored ones. And hopefully my camera will focus in on them. There they go. So they're really, really pretty. There we go. So those are the dragonflies. And then I have this really beautiful owl. Isn't that cute? And then we have these shells. And they also come in a variety of different colors. And then we have this beautiful mermaid tail and these hearts. One's in purple and one is in black. And I also have the diamond shaped. And unfortunately, my camera just does not want to focus into those really good. But yeah, the mermaid tail is a iridescent white. And then we've got the black heart and the purple heart, and then this diamond shaped here. I also have a few of these. Now these are drill catchers themselves. They are small, but they will catch garbage drills. Really nice. I only have a few of these though. I think I only have like 4 of them, but really nice to have. Okay, so those are all of my new cover minder lineups. All right, everyone, so I'm really excited to share these with you. These are my new lineup of AB jelly drills. These are the size for our round, so they're in SS10. And the first color I'm going to show you is 310. So let's take a look at beautiful 310 here. There you go. Isn't that just fabulous? Look at the sparkle and shine on those. Look at that. Wow. So again, these are 310 AB jellies. All right. All right, so the next color I'm going to show you is Peridot. It almost appears to be a lime green. It's very pretty. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? It's a very nice green. But like I said, it looks lime green to me, but it is definitely beautiful. Look at this shine. So again, this is Peridot. Okay, so the next color I'm going to show you is called Dark Golden Rose. Pour them in here. There we go. And this one reminds me a lot of the volcanoes. It can show 3 or 4 different colors. It's very pretty. So you can see some gold, some lavender, some pinks. Just a beautiful all-around drill. Lots of sparkle and shine. There we go. Just beautiful. Oops. one ran off. Okay, so we're going to put these back and grab the escapees. Looks like a peridot is over here. Yep. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you is called Golden Rose, and this is more of a metallic color. It's really, really pretty. There we go. Again, this is called Golden Rose. Look at that shimmer. Just a beautiful drill. All right, so the next one I'm going to show you is called Emerald. There we go. And this is also a really beautiful green. Again, this one is called Emerald. All right. Oops. So what I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm going to pause the camera so I can get another group of colors out to show you, and I'll be right back. All right, so the next color I'm going to show you is called the Lemon. This is a really beautiful bright yellow. There you go. Look at that. Lots and lots of shimmer and shine. Again, this one is called Lemon. Okay. So the next color, this is 666. Look at that. So again, everyone, this is 666. Let's see if we can get them to move around just a little bit more. Go. Beautiful. All right. So the next color I'm going to show you is light pink. That's a pretty one too. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Now this is a pastel pink. Beautiful. Again, this is called light pink. All right, so the next color I'm going to show you is light amethyst. This is really, really pretty. I love this color. So again, this is light amethyst. Look at the sparkle on that. Just beautiful. Okay. All right, so the next color is called Rose. Now this is another red family. This is more on the pink side, whereas 666 is more of an orange red color. And this is pretty. So again, this one is called Rose. All right. So the next color I'm going to show you is called Light Sapphire. This is pretty. So this is Light Sapphire. Pretty, isn't it? Lots and lots of sparkle. So again, this is Light Sapphire. Now this next one I'm going to show you is called Dark Pink. To me, this is a fluorescent pink. It's very bright, but very, very pretty. So again, this one is called Dark Pink. Okay, so this next color I'm showing you is called Blue Zircon. And there it is. So again, this one is called Blue Zircon. Really pretty. All right. So the next one I'm going to show you is 5200. There you go. Ooh, really bright. Isn't that beautiful? So this is 5200. All right. So the next one I'm going to show you is called Sapphire. This is a really pretty color too. That. Isn't that pretty? Lots and lots of sparkle. So again, this one is called Sapphire. Okay, so the next color I'm going to show you is Aqua Marine. There we go. That is beautiful. That's Aqua Marine. All right, one more color. So the last color is called Light Peach. Oop, kind of got a little carried away there, I think. There we go. So this is called Light Peach. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so that is Light Peach. All right, everyone, so that is all of the colors that I have in the AB jellies. I hope that you guys like them. They are simply beautiful and lots of sparkle. So I will have these up and ready this weekend in the Etsy store, and I will have all that information down below in the description if you're interested in taking a look. These are just beautiful. The number of drills are based on weight, so I do weigh them. They are 9 grams. They will have approximately 1,430 drills in each bag. So again, they will be up in my Etsy store over the weekend. Let me know what you think about these drills and the beautiful cover minders. All right, everyone. It is now time to pick our winners for the 500 subscriber giveaway. Again, to everyone, thank you so much for your support, and your encouragement is so greatly appreciated. So by saying that, we have a special guest that will be announcing the winners. Special guest, say hello.
Hello, everybody. Mr. Review here.
So by saying that, let's pick our first winner. Here we go.
And the winner is Treva Moonheart.
Yay! So Treva, contact me by email. It will be down below in the description, and I look forward to hearing from you. So we're going to take Treva's name out and update the system again. And here is for our second winner. Good luck.
And the winner is Susie Marshall.
All right, Susie. Again, information down below in the description. Please email me and reach out to me, and we will go over all the details. So we're going to remove Susie's name. Just got to find her here. Where is Susie? There she is. Oops, just Susie. We're going to update, and this is our last spin. Good luck, everyone.
And the winner is Island Girl DPJ.
All right. Congratulations, Island Girl, and to all of our winners. Again, thank you guys for your support. And Mr. Review is going to say
A public service announcement from your local SPCA. A regular monkey is a happy monkey.
whatever that means. So by saying that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, to all of my new subscribers, thank you again for your support. All of my subscribers, you guys are the best. And I, again, can't thank you enough. So by saying that, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name is Jene. Thank you for joining me today on the review. Remember to always be safe, be healthy, and we'll speak again real soon. Bye for now.